It took me less than an hour to make over $240 using ChatGPT for free.
$240 with ChatGPT. Is this right or he's just bluffing? As a pro ChatGPT user, before you even watch this video, I analyzed the whole thing. And this is the summary. Now, if I tell you the business model in 20 words, it is selling detailed digital products and guides created with ChatGPT and promoted through affiliate programs, Teachable and Pinterest. Teachable is completely unnecessary. Nick is using a 7-step process called Smart GPT. This step P is where all the money is. Don't worry, we will go there super fast. Start with sign up with ChatGPT.
ChatGPT operates in a way where you have to give it specific instructions that are called prompts. Essentially, prompts are the way we communicate with ChatGPT.
And you can write books with this prompt. For example, I just asked ChatGPT to do the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats analysis of this video, and it gave me details. For example, this business model requires some technical skills and it's time consuming, which is not good. But don't worry, at the end of the video, I will share something completely, 99% done for you. Keep watching. But hey, there is one more bad thing here. Threats, competition, and algorithm changes. Anyways, let's move forward. Second and third steps are mastering prompts and using these prompts to assemble your information product, like a book. Now, if you're asking, assemble product about what? This is called niche. You have to select a niche. For that, you can go to audible.com and look for audiobooks. For example, I searched with YouTube and I found tons of YouTube secrets related audiobooks. Are you asking why Audible? There is another reason. You will make money right here. So keep watching. So it seems YouTube secrets and YouTube growth is a hot niche. So why don't you watch some YouTube growth related YouTube videos, analyze them using ChatGPT and turn them into a book, a valuable book. ChatGPT can create text content, very structured and well written, plus it can generate visual content, amazing images. So you basically have text content and graphical content. R stands for render graphical content and T stands for copy the text written by ChatGPT and paste it into your favorite document software. I used Google Doc. You can use Microsoft Word, Apple Pages, your choice. And you can copy the images, paste them in the right place to make it a nice and visual ebook. Now comes the T. Transform your document into a PDF. I'm gonna name my document first, like YouTube secrets. And here is a secret, guys. Don't share with anyone. You can actually take title ideas from here and from these viral videos. Click menu and you can download it as a PDF document. But wait a minute, I forgot to add the money link in the PDF. Money comes from affiliate marketing, guys. I'm an affiliate marketer. I love affiliate marketing. This is one of my Warrior Plus accounts. Look at the commissions earned by my affiliates. We paid $2.6 million, now more than $2.6 million in affiliate commissions to our affiliates. Oh, did I even mention that our beginner students of our program earn high ticket affiliate commissions with a 99% done for you system. Check the link in the bio or description or in the first comment or comment 99 for a free training video. So go to Google and search for Audible affiliate. Click this yellow button to become an affiliate and here comes the free money. Guys, did you like this video yet? Please like this video and share with your friends and family. They will love you more for sharing this. Here is free money, guys. Audible pays you $5 for a free trial. So here we go. If you sign up as an affiliate, you get your affiliate link and promote with your affiliate link. What would you promote? You will promote YouTube secrets, YouTube formula, growth, books as an affiliate by putting the link right here in the text or in the footer. Click here for YouTube secrets book. This is just an example. Add a link, click apply. Now the whole book will contain this link in the footer. Now you download a PDF of your book. That's my boy. My 5-page book is ready from Nick's video. Don't tell him. And there is a link. That's my affiliate link. And every time someone signs up for a free trial, I'll earn $5. If you do that, you will earn $5. I know your questions now. Where am I gonna host this PDF book? And who's gonna download my book? This gives us an opportunity to make money in 2 different ways. Go to this website, up-forever.net. They allow you to upload your PDFs, collect a link, and when someone downloads your books, based on the size of the download, they pay you tiny amount of commission. Isn't this amazing? So go ahead, create a free account, upload your book, and you'll get a link, something close to that. Now that you got your link, do exactly what we do. We use AI and learn valuable skills fast, just like we learned about this video. Then we use these lessons and the skills to make short videos. We publish these short videos on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. You don't know these guys are in a war of getting attention through short videos. So they will send you tons of free traffic to your AI-powered automated funnel. Now, this automated funnel will do the selling for you, and when there is a sale, you will earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission, just like our beginner students. Oops, I forgot you're not yet a part of our program. Don't worry, just comment 99 or check the link in the bio, in the first comment or in the description and watch the free training. However, make these short videos and publish them on social media. Put this link in your bio and share with your audience. When they download your book, you will make money from this site. Tiny few dollars, but still it's money. And when they sign up for a free trial on Audible, you make $5. So every 50 signups pay you $250. Guys, I'll be honest, 50 signups per day on Audible is almost impossible, no matter how much traffic you have. And that's why we don't do these things. This is not a bad thing, but trust me, this is garbage. In this method, you will never make money, 5-figure and 6-figure commissions like these affiliates. So guys, instead of wasting your time on these shortcut side hustles that might pay you pennies to a few bucks here and there, do something valuable and serious that will get you serious results. I mean, like these beginner students. So yeah, if you want to know how you can have your own software product, sell and keep 100% of the profit, earn recurring subscription revenue, earn affiliate commissions, and earn high-ticket affiliate commissions altogether, then you can use our 99% done for you program. Follow for more, comment 99, or check the first comment, description, and the bio for a free training. See you there.